it's another day with May, and today we are making a healthy spaghetti sauce. All right, let's check out our ingredients for today. So we have our salt, our tomatoes. I've got 1 can of diced tomatoes and 1 can of whole tomatoes peeled. I've got my avocado oil. You can use coconut as well. I've got some, not tomato paste, but pizza base paste. This will add a bit more flavor than just the normal tomato paste would, so definitely have that. We've got our mushrooms here, about 5 mushrooms diced up. We've got our oregano, we've got some basil, some pepper, 2 cloves of garlic if they're large. If they're small ones, use about 3 or 4. We've got a whole onion. This is a yellow onion, or also known as a brown onion. And we have 2 small zucchinis or 1 medium zucchini. All right, let's get cooking. Add your oil to your pot, and once that's nice and warm, you're going to add in your onions and brown them. All right, now I'm going to add in my garlic, my zucchini, and also all of my spices. This is going to really help release the oils from the spice and give it a really awesome flavor. Let's do that now. Okay, now that the zucchini has kind of simmered down a little bit, we're gonna add in our mushrooms and let those cook before adding in the rest of our ingredients. All right, now I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients. So that's my canned tomatoes, my pizza sauce, and a little bit of salt. Then I'm gonna put my lid on and let that simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then it'll be ready to go. All right, and there you have it, a nice, healthy, vegetable-packed sauce for your spaghetti. You can also add in some turkey mince or some beef mince, whatever you'd like, if you want to make it a little meaty, but you can also just have it as is. All right, I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and until next time, see you later.